Cold coffee recipe. 1 tablespoon instant coffee powder or granules. 1/4 cup warm water. For tablespoons raw sugar, adjust as needed. 2 cups whole milk cold or chilled. 8 ice cubes optional. 1. Dissolve the instant coffee and sugar in warm water. Stir until well combined. 2. In a blender, combine the coffee mixture with chilled milk. 3. Blend on high speed until frothy and well mixed. 4. If you prefer a thicker consistency, add more ice cubes and blend again. 5. Pour into a glass, add ice cubes if desired, and serve immediately. Feel free to adjust the sweetness and coffee strength according to your taste. Cheers! I hope you like this recipe. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. And on which recipe to make next video, please let us know in the comment section. If you want to watch more delicious videos, I have put the link in the description. So don't forget check out the description.